Awesome traders. Hope you all having an awesome day and hope you have an awesome weekend. It's been a while since I've done indices analysis as I'm getting lots of messages from traders to do one. So today I'm going to do analysis of US 30, which is Dow Jones, UK 100, Sp500, and I'm also going to go through US Cocoa, starting with US 30. So what to expect from it. Now this was a level that has been mentioned to my members in a live session, as I do indices analysis every week with my members only session. Now according to that, we have set the Fibonacci tool exactly like this, as actually it was something like this, but it is something I use with my discretion. We can also use the upper level. So looking at that, the price hit 50% retracement right here. It has now started to push up. If you follow me, you know how I place my Fibonacci tool. Now it is pushing up nicely from 50% retracement, broke above this high. We have a good chance the price will keep on pushing higher to 1.618 retracement, from where expect a good and deep pullback. Could be a correction and then a possible retest of 50 EMA. If we have a bullish engulfer, then I'm gonna go long again. So that is why I'll be looking at only trending trades in a bullish direction. I'm expecting a price to head to 1.618 retracement. If you're not an aggressive trader, just wait for the pullback and pullback entry bullish, and then I'm gonna go long. If you're someone who really want to wait for the better entry, it is a little anchor level right here is the numbers in blue, from where we can expect a possible pullback and then a possible bounce out of. Next up we have Nasdaq100 tech. Now price is heading towards a level of anchor. Now at this point price is coming down and retested this anchor level that has been recently broken in an uptrend. So for now we can expect the price to come back and retest and possible continuation towards the upside. So I'm not looking for sell trades, I'm looking for the price to head higher, and the next level, the anchor level, is right up there, which is 20692 goes to 20792, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trades. For now I'm just looking for bullish trades. If you are someone who want to look for the better condition, wait for the price to break above this high and then a pullback entry bullish. That is what I'll be looking at, or a retest of this level again, followed by bullish engulfer or 382 candles. Only looking for buy trades. I'm not expecting a bounce out of Nasdaq 100. Next up we have UK 100. Now this was the zone that was sent to my members as well. Price just hit the level of major resistance that has been retested in the past. Price just retested this level again. You can either wait for the price to form double top pattern for the strongest entry from this zone, which is 8,390 goes to 8,451, or wait for the price to come down and give us a pullback to 50 EMA, followed by bullish engulfer. Buy from here, exit here, look for the double top here, sell again, and then that is how I'm going to look for my entry. So only selling at this point unless we get a buy condition above 50 EMA, followed by bullish engulfer. Selling will be just a short term. This could be just a pullback. We still haven't got any entry condition. My entry condition will be a double top pattern for sell, then a pullback to 50 EMA, then buy from 50 EMA. So that's what I'll be looking at. It is now in the level of resistance. I'm now looking for selling opportunities with my conditions. Let's take a look at US Cocoa. US Cocoa has now changed its direction. Price broke below the level of support and then with a fake out it pushed back up. Now broke above 50 EMA as well. Now after the break we had this bullish candle, a bullish engulfing candle. Looking at that, I'm not expecting a price to head higher, at least to this first top. Once broken above this top, then with a pullback and then another pullback entry like this till we are in the level above, which is right here, from where we can start to see another push down. So for now, as we are broken above 50 EMA with this bullish candle, I'm expecting a price to head higher. So that's it for indices, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.